Guys, we're gonna do a cold start video here on the 308 GT4. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the headers. You hear that fuel pump priming. Everything's nice and cold. Okay. Fires right up. Go ahead and give me a rev to 2000.